Okay, today's lesson is reduce, recycle and reuse. This is lesson 1 for form 2. Okay, what in this slide, teacher will be teaching you a few things that you need to know. Today we will be focusing more on vocabulary and also speaking and also your knowledge about 3R. Okay, let's look at the second slide. What you will be doing in this lesson? You will be watching a video on 3R. Then you will learn new words from the video. Okay, while you watch the video, please look at the words that I will teach you later. Okay, then you will also listen and repeat the words. While teacher is reading out the words, you must also listen and repeat the words. Then you can play a word game, and then based on the word game, you will do some written work. Okay, now before we start the lesson, I want you to look at a few questions that we need to answer. Okay, small changes will make a big difference, especially when you want to make the earth a better place. Will you use one side of the paper or both sides? Okay. Is it better to buy one big bottle of detergent instead of 3 small ones? You are having a family gathering. Will you choose to use reusable dishes or opt to use plastic or paper plates instead? Okay, would you bring your own shopping bags or save the trouble and take the plastic bags offered? Okay. So, we will look at these questions again at the end of the lesson. Okay, now let's move on to the next lesson. Okay, next slide. Now click on the link to watch the video. You can watch this video, but before you watch the video, let me read to you the words. While I read to you, I want you to repeat the words. A whim, to avoid, to apply, to reduce, disposable, to contaminate, a canvas bag, contamination. Okay, a whim is like doing something without thinking. Okay, you want to do something, you do it. Like for example, throwing rubbish. You think and then you just throw. Okay, you don't give it a second thought. Okay, I'm throwing this rubbish. Is it going to contaminate the earth? You are not thinking. Okay, what is the meaning of to contaminate? To contaminate is a verb, is to mencemar. Okay, contamination is a noun, pencemaran. Okay, if you throw a lot of rubbish, you will contaminate the earth. Okay, contamination is bad for earth. Okay, next, to apply tu ada sometimes to apply is like to apply to become a prefect. Okay, to apply to become somebody, maybe when you're working, you want to apply to become a teacher. Okay, that is to apply. Another apply is to apply means to do, like to apply good habits in your daily activities. That is to apply. Okay, next, to reduce is to kurangkan. Disposable is like when you use something, then you throw. Disposable, like you use only once. For example, disposable plastic bags, disposable diaper, like your adik pakai lamping, pakai buang. That is disposable. Reusable tu boleh guna banyak-banyak kali. Like the, the reusable dishes yang teacher tanya tadi kan. The reusable dishes. Reusable dishes means like the glassware your mother has, yang you guna untuk makan tengah hari nasi tu, takkan lepas makan you just throw away, right? You will wash and you keep. That is reusable. Disposable is bila dah pakai sekali, you throw away. Okay, a canvas bag is a bag you carry to the shopping bag to buy things. So you don't need the plastic bags. So you just use the canvas bag. That is a good habit to apply in your daily life. Right? Next, after this, I want you to do this activity. I've already given you the meaning of the words. What you can do is, You can write all this in your exercise book. Please don't forget to write the day and the date, and then fill up the words accordingly. Okay, read the sentence and match the meaning to it. Okay, next, after this you are going to play a game. Okay, there are 1 2 3 4 bins with different colors. When you click the link, you will know you are going to clean up your room. Okay, you need to put in the things accordingly. Okay, I know you know paper, plastic, metal, glass and all. Do you know what is compost? Compost is something that can biodegrade. Usually sisa makanan lah. Okay, food like apple core, like banana skin. All these are compost. Compost ialah benda yang boleh biodegrade. Things that can biodegrade. Okay. Next. After that, you are going to do this activity. I want you all to recall the 12 items that you all put into the bins. Remember the paper, the plastic and metal, glass and compost. Can you remember all the items? Okay, the 12 items. You put them accordingly. You draw this table in your exercise book and then you write down the words. This is a memory game. Try not to go to the link and check the words. Try to write down. See how many words you can get correctly. Okay. If you can get the spelling correctly, if you can write the words accordingly into the right bins, that means your memory power is very good. Okay. Good luck, everyone. I had to do this recording because I forgot to record the lesson, the online lesson today. So I hope this will be helpful for those who were not able to join the online class. Okay, thank you. Bye.